Shadows on the land, a cry would soon rise from every house and clan. But in the homes where faith stood strong, the people trusted in Yahuah all night long. The Lamb was taken, its blood applied, marked on the posts where the families would hide. And when the judgment moved through the night, mercy stood guard by covenant right. Through the darkness a promise was heard, the voice of Yahuah speaking his word. When I see the blood, I will pass over you. No destroyer will enter, no harm will come through. I am the shield standing over your door. When I see the blood, you are mine forevermore. The wind was moving through Goshen that night, but every home was covered by light. Fear tried to whisper, death walked the land, yet mercy was resting on Yahuah's command. From Egypt's chains to freedom's shore, Yahuah delivered his people once more. The blood was speaking louder than fear, declaring his covenant still drawing near. And the promise that carried them through is the same promise given to you. When I see the blood, I will pass over you. No destroyer will enter, no harm will come through. I am the shield standing over your door. When I see the blood, you are mine forevermore. The same Yahuah who covered that night still watches his people in darkness and light. When storms surround and danger is near, his covenant mercy is standing right here. The Lamb was given, redemption was made, a greater Passover price has been paid, and still through the ages his promise stands true. When I see the blood, I will pass over you. Death has no power, my heart will come through. I am your shield, your deliverer too. When I see the blood, I remember you. So mark every doorway of heart and home, for the covenant king still guards his own. The night may come, but fear will not stay, for your heart still passes over today.